In a bustling ant colony, the diligent ants work tirelessly, building tunnels and gathering food. But on the horizon, a menacing cockroach appears, its eyes glinting with mischief as it approaches the colony. The ant scouts spot the intruder and sound the alarm, sending a ripple of panic through the colony. The cockroach begins stealing the ants' food, using its size and speed to its advantage. The ant queen commands her warrior ants to prepare for battle, their tiny weapons ready. The ants form a strategic formation, surrounding the cockroach with precision and teamwork. The cockroach underestimates the ants, laughing mockingly at their efforts. The ants launch their attack, using their agility and numbers to overpower the cockroach. The cockroach struggles, overwhelmed by the ants' coordinated assault. The ants manage to topple the cockroach, binding its legs with sticky sap from a nearby tree. The cockroach tries to break free, but the ants' teamwork is too strong. The ants push the cockroach out of their colony, sending it tumbling away. The ant colony celebrates their victory, cheering and dancing with joy. The ant queen commends the warriors for their bravery and clever tactics. The ants return to their work, now more united and determined than ever. The defeated cockroach limps away, realizing it underestimated the power of teamwork. The camera zooms out, showing the bustling ant colony from above, symbolizing the triumph of unity over adversity.